world a better place to live in by creating a bloodstream masterpiece. It is where eco-passionate folks like you can find the awesome products that help the planet. We want to bring together all the entrepreneurs who care about the environment and connect them with the people who are eager to eco-friendly environment. We want to bring together you with a website connecting with the eco-friendly products.
There are many Indian ecopreneurs who not only taken the initiative but also got success in their innovations while being sustainable to the environment, such as Vineet Desai, the man who made bricks from agricultural waste, Swati Pandey, founder of Agrotil and Agro Innovations, Rajendra Singh, popularly known as Waterman of India, saving liters and liters of water. Ved Krishna, leader of successful company Yash Pakka, manufacturing paper molded food product services from agro residues.
Hey, but I never knew about the Nigerians. I never got the opportunity to know about their contribution to the environment.
Yes, Adi, you are right. They are doing great for the environment, but the biggest obstacle in their growth is the lack of a one-stop platform where they can sell their eco-friendly products and interact with each other.
Oh, wait, I know a website called EcoNative where ecopreneurs can sell their eco-friendly product. Let's use the video to see our proposal. Environmental conscious consumers looking for more environment friendly products as well as ecopreneurs driven to environmental sustainability to make a positive global impact. There are several active business owners on our website selling their eco-friendly goods like health conscious beverages, boba chocolate, milk, and vegan leather, and many more. They are taking the effort to market their goods on our website, showcasing their unique innovation by getting the environment, sustainability, and planet their top priority. As Words Will Sustain, a movement that pushes the boundaries of traditional commerce to promote sustainability and enhance how we express that consumer goods. Once you explore our EcoNative website, you will find an absolute portal that attracts every citizen to activate our website.
Here I am going to tell you how our website operates. So, when you give the link of the website,
on various social media platforms such as Instagram ads, Google ads, YouTube ads, and many more. Let's hear my favorite feature from the website. You can share Instagram blogs with us. You can write blogs, you can interact, chat, and share your feedback for our products.
a marketing plan in B2B is directly with NGOs and environmentalists and in B2C directly with the consumer. We have 4 amazing exclusive subscription packages just starting at 50 rupees monthly, 750 quarterly, and 3000 annually, where an entrepreneur can connect with us to the eco-conscious consumer. Thank you. May I request the judges to see your website?
So here is the link of our website on our homepage. So here you can search about the product
Econative. Here are some of features products like Healthicious Cuppa drink, yummy and tasty pombe chocolate, milk mum and vegan leather.
Sir, the milk mum is lactose free.
Then we have this special section in our website where you can enrich your knowledge about the plant, pods and our exclusive subscription package. Basically, if you want some know about some plant, have you ever used Google Lens? So what we do in Google Lens, we take the picture of that tree and we can search about them. So that same feature you can do in our website, and you will get lots of knowledge about that particular thing. And if you find something new plant you want to share with different people, you can post over here and people will connect with you, and it's a type of community. And this is our mission to connect every entrepreneur who care about the environment with the eco-conscious consumer. Then basically, this is something fascinating thing for those who subscribe with us. We are providing them eco-friendly, zero kitchen waste subscription box and some eco-friendly goodies to them. Then we have special section in our website where a customer can write their personal blog and share us some feedback. So it means you can write and share some blog with us, and we can see about the blogs over here, and you can like and share it to blog. So basically this website is about the selling of the products, and we are giving the knowledge about the consumer, about the environment. Basically I said in starting, पर्यावरण हमारा है और इसको अपन को स्वस्थ एकदम वो बनाना है. तो बेसिकली ये वेबसाइट एक आपको कनेक्ट भी करेगी, सेल भी करेगी और आपको एक इन्वायरमेंटल इस यूथ को कंजॉइन भी करेगी. Then we have the chat box section where you can directly chat with the entrepreneurs. तो बेसिकली उस पर डायरेक्टली वर्क करते हैं, जिनको इन्वायरमेंट के बारे में नॉलेज है, आप उनसे डायरेक्ट चैट कर सकते हैं कि मेरे को ये इन्वायरमेंट में दिक्कत मिल रही है, मैं इसमें कुछ चेंजेस चाहता हूँ, तो आप मुझे क्या बताइए. तो 1-to-1 जो कन्वर्सेशन जो गैप आता है, हम उस गैप को भी सॉल्व कर रहे हैं हमारी वेबसाइट में.
हमारा एम सिर्फ बाइंग एंड सेलिंग का नहीं है, हमारा एक इको फ्रेंडली कम्युनिटी बनाना है पूरा. जैसे हम वर्ल्ड पूरा एक ही है और एनवायरनमेंट एक बहुत नीड है कि हम
Join the Econative community on Instagram. Basically, we are also providing Instagram. As you know, the young generation is totally on Instagram and social media. So how we are attracting them? We are attracting them on this part. Instagram pictures, post, आपको जो likes, rewards and discounts मिलेंगे. So the teenagers will like, oh, we are getting something rewards over there. They will get excited about this. And last, you wonder how to subscribe to us and how us to join us in this innovative generation of sustainability. So you have to enter your mail ID here. We will be sending you a mail on your mail ID. From there you will get the knowledge about the subscription package, and from them you can join us in the journey of sustainability. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
And sorry for that.
Okay, code 7. Tell me your price is max to max 3,000 rupees for subscription. In this subscription, this type of facilities you will provide to your customer, and if they get your subscription, how much discount or how much benefits you can provide them?
So हम फर्स्ट 500 कस्टमर्स में तो 15% डिस्काउंट देंगे ही, और उसके बाद अगर आप 3000 का पैकेज लेते हैं या फिर 750 का भी, तो हम मंथली वर्कशॉप ऑर्गेनाइज करते हैं इन योर सिटी एंड ऑनलाइन ऑल्सो, एंड वी विल प्रोवाइड फास्ट डिलीवरी टू.
And that subscription box we are
Okay, tell me one thing. If I am a customer, okay, and I have to pay 3,000 rupees plus purchasing price of that product, तो क्यों मैं आपका सब्सक्रिप्शन लूँगी?
Yes. So basically जो हमारी वेबसाइट है, आप उस पर आके ज्वाइन कर रहे हैं, और अगर आप एक सेलर के पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू सोचेंगे तो हम तो उसका प्रोडक्ट है वो हमारी वेबसाइट पे बेच रहे हैं, तो उसको प्लेटफॉर्म दिया है तो उसका हम उसे प्राइस चार्ज करते हैं. तो एक कस्टमर की अगर हमारे पास आए हैं तो हम उनसे प्रोडक्ट क्यों खरीदेंगे? क्योंकि हम आपको ऑफर्स प्रोवाइड करेंगे, रिवॉर्ड्स भी दे रहे हैं, स्पेशल रिवॉर्ड्स.
लाइक अमेजोन, फ्लिपकार्ट एक्सेट्रा ना. अमेजोन एंड फ्लिपकार्ट की तरह ही ना हम यूज़ करेंगे आपका जो एप्लीकेशन है, बट वहाँ पर तो हमें 1 रुपया पे नहीं करना पड़ता है, फिर भी हम उस चीज़ को यूज़ कर सकते हैं.
मैम हम वर्कशॉप ऑर्गेनाइज कर रहे हैं जिसके अंदर हम सस्टेनेबिलिटी के बारे में भी आपको रेसिपीज बताएंगे, या फिर ऐसे DIY होते हैं उसमें हम आपको इंटीग्रेट करेंगे.
जो तो प्रोडक्ट से मतलब है, इसके ऊपर सोचो कि सब्सक्रिप्शन मैं आपका क्यों लूँ, है ना. सेलर इज ओके, जिसको अपना प्रोडक्ट आपके साथ सेल करना है वो आपको पे करेगा. कस्टमर्स आर नॉट रेडी टू पे. बेनिफिट नहीं होगा, कस्टमर कभी भी ज्वाइन नहीं करेगा आपको।
तो सब्सक्रिप्शन जो आप बोल रहे हो ना, वो सब्सक्रिप्शन कौन लेगा? जो हमारी कम्युनिटी में जुड़ना चाहता है वो सब्सक्रिप्शन लेगा। बाकी आप नॉर्मल कंज्यूमर हो तो आप आके ले सकते हो, बट सब्सक्रिप्शन के हमें कम्युनिटी में जुड़ना चाहते हो तो आपको एक स्पेशल एज अ गिफ्ट के रूप में आपको एक सब्सक्रिप्शन बॉक्स भी देंगे, फिर हमारी वेबसाइट पे ब्लॉग सब डाल सकते हो। एज अ नॉर्मल कंज्यूमर यू कैन परचेज अ वेबसाइट डायरेक्टली।
ब्लॉग्स तो मैं मेरी ईमेल पर भी लिख सकती हूँ। ब्लॉग्स राइटिंग के लिए मुझे स्पेसिफिक किसी प्लेटफॉर्म की रिक्वायरमेंट नहीं है। ओके, यू हैव टू थिंक ऑन दैट।
थैंक यू।
Tell me three values your project will add in the economy. Tell me three values which you will add in the economy through your project.
First one is we are providing a proper platform to buy and seller to sell the eco-native
I am asking
product.
the values, value addition in the economy. Yes.
Basically, we first of all, this will be sustainable thing for the environment. Will be very good for the environment. The first one is sustainable for environment. The second is
We will aware the consumer about how to protect the environment and think about the earth.
First value I considered environment protection. Now next second, I am asking three values which you will add in the economy.
third thing is कि whatever profit we have to make, after 80% हम उसको seller को देंगे जो अपना प्रोडक्ट बेच रहा है, 25% हमारा रहेगा और जो 5% है हम NGOs को डोनेशन से देते हैं।
You are not getting my point. I am asking, देखिए, why we are doing this, all these things? Why we are here? We all are here, you know that, to how to you know that how to add the values in the economy. How can we develop? We are welcoming you, the young generation, to come up on the stage and share your ideas for the development of the economy, for the development of the country as well as world. So I am asking a simple question. Tell me three values which will you add in the economy with the help of your project.
The first one is the environment. Yeah. The USP is because the USP is only the connecting seller and buyer on a specific platform and giving them chance. to
Rest all are doing this. Rest all are following the same things.
Sir, but the website you are telling that Amazon or Flipkart is doing the same, but we are doing the same thing like that, but we are creating a community that also thinks for the environment.
They all are created a community.
Sir, they sell other products also. They don't only sell.
I think you need little more investigation of yourself. Thank you so much.
Thank you, sir.
How will your project contribute to GDP of the country? आपका प्रोजेक्ट देश की जीडीपी में कैसे कंट्रीब्यूट करेगा?
जितना जो कमा रहे हैं हम एक्स्ट्रा कमाएंगे क्योंकि हम सब सस्टेनेबल लेवल पे चल रहे हैं और हमारी जो वेबसाइट है उसके सब्सक्रिप्शन पैकेज इन सबसे हम कंट्रीब्यूट कर सकते हैं। और हम अभी तो हमारा जो प्रोसेस है वो सिर्फ इंडिया लेवल तक का है, हम पूरी वर्ल्ड तक को भी कनेक्ट कर सकते हैं।
Thank you.
Is there any audience question? No, thank you